Okay, so now in the last class we have stopped here. As you guys know, here the detailing part is very important to create this one. So in order to create this, what I will do is the first time I'll take one cylinder, right? I have taken one cylinder, press W and bring wherever you want it, rotate around 90 degree. When you guys are rotating 90 degree, try to scale, press E, E, R and scale. R में R is scale, R is for scale and E is for rotation. So bring it here, bring it, keep it. After this I need to have, because this round shape is more, no, so here I need a pakka solution for it. So here instead of 20 I will go with the smooth is important, 30, let it be 30, right? But can you see here down may I don't have any lines to insert here. I cannot able to insert because it is merged single line here. So the first thing is I'll select back side, I don't need, at least in the front side I'll chamfer it. What is that? Shift chamfer vertex, shift chamfer vertex. Here connectivity is very important. Multicut 1, 2. The solutions are the multicut. Here shift multicut. So give the multicut, so that line should create a problem when you are pressing smooth. So when you are adding smooth with the object, it should not create a problem for you. So try to add those connections, even though here also. Here also. Here also you should have a proper connection. So everywhere now there is a quads, there is no triangles, right? So vertex average and average it. So here when I am adding the connections, something has got mixed. Can you see here? 3 lines came here. So this 3 lines should not come. So first I will delete this. No, if I merge this both, if I can merge this both, I can delete this. Clear now? So here add the connections and you got it. Middle may I need a lines. No, both the sides we need a same, then delete the backside part, because here there is a solution. So delete the backside part, and what you can do is select here and average. You will get it averaged like that, but let it be in the rotation stages, so it will not disturb you. So you can hire the vertexes as well. So edge loops are in neat and clean when you guys will do this thing. Control, hold button and hire it. Then Control Z, keyboard may you press Z. So n number of lines you can add it. This is the simple technique is you can add edge loop to edge loop, edge and edge loop to edge loop, right? So where is your middle point? Where is your object middle point? Where is your object middle point? If you merge also, here it is going to come for you, right? If you merge here also, there is a middle part for you, right? So for your reference you can add, so that you will get exactly the middle point is here, correct? So when you are adding and bringing it to the middle point, so it is easy for you to recognize the points here. Control D, we snap it. Snap it. Snap in the middle point. Middle point is very important because I need a hole there. Holes, right? In the model may we need a holes. So select one time, extrude and create a depth for it. You guys got the depth. This much is fine. Yeah. Now Control D, from your pivot point we keep this line is here, middle line here, correct? Then Control D and keep this pivot point is here. D and your pivot point is in middle of the grid. V middle of the grid area here, exactly in the middle. So FT for the object and freeze transformation, everything is here, and middle of that object Control D, and I need these points around 10. 1, duplicate 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, these are the buttons for you. So in the sense we have kept buttons are like this. Clear? So here I need holes on this area. FT, delete by the history. Control D, delete by the history. Select this one and this one, this two object. Here also FT, delete by the history. Take this area and difference. So what you got is, you got pulley holes here. Can you see? What I'm trying to do, select this one, and here union is there. In union may what will happen is, it will mix with this body. But if I want a hole, I will do a difference. 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 So you got the all lines are clear here. Can you see? All your hole you got it. Now I need to have a back part, scale it, close this one and this one, and here nothing is there, it is from same model. What is happening here, bevel little bit here, one line pay and higher one middle connection 0.2, select the edge line, face to faces and extrude. Extrude the line and hire a supporting connections. Hire the supporting connections. Hire the supporting connections. Face to faces, face to faces, extrude, try to take it up, out here, and whatever added connections are there, no, 1 2, scale, Z, bevel, and take this area from the back and try to bring it here. Bring it here. As you guys know, if you guys want a numbers, you should have one more plane is here along with this transparency plane. So what you do is, how to get that plane is, get one cylinder, keep it here, rotate around 90 degree, and how much you want, 30, we have taken 30 there, no, starting main cylinder mein, so 30, face to faces and delete it. So top में, back side में you keep it like this. Top में also if you want you can keep it. So nobody is going to tell you. But what you have to do is planar. What we should do? Apply blend, transparency, You can give some transparency color on it. Okay, so now we have kept, you guys can click blue, orange, green, doesn't matter. So what color you that give, you can give, but inside you should keep a numbers right now. Okay, so here you will have a type create type में you have a numbers. I will show you one number, you guys can do it for multiple. Type a number. Here I'm going to keep 9. 9. Choose your font. Choose your scale and height. So here rotate it around 90°. Create a numbers are like this. Clear? So type a numbers, whatever numbers that you required, you can do a design on that. So press Z. Z is nothing but a group, then the center pivot and pull it inside. Any doubts? Any doubts, guys? Here you can do any model anyhow, however you guys want it. You guys can really do a good output when you have proper flow. So if you are maintaining proper flow, you guys can 100% you can do your model. Any doubts? No doubts? So I'll stop the video, but I want you guys to clear it, and if you guys are wanted to do, you just let me know. Okay, any other different model maybe if you guys wanted to do, so those different model I will try to suggest it here. Okay, how to do.